Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you one of the best tools that you can go and grab if you plan on becoming a watchmaker. So yes, we need a pair of tweezers, we need a lot of tools in order to work on our watches, but you also need something in order to magnify, and this is going to be the microscope, so the digital microscope that you can go and grab. This is going to be the model 208SA, and this is going to be by LINKMICRO, so as you can see right here. Now you're going to get this monitor with the arm right here and a few other extras. This is going to be my monitor that I have actually went and connected right here via an HDMI cable. And as you can see here, I have three watches. So I have a mechanical movement, which is going to be a man's size, or let's say a small pocket watch size movement. Then I have a medium-sized ladies model, and then a very small ladies model. And here you can see how big you can actually see them on your monitor. So if I were to take my tool, as you can see, I am able to see this mega magnification without using a loupe, and this is where I can actually work. So you can have your workplace, and then you can actually use this in order to see the tiny movements. So this is going to be a tiny ladies watch movement, and now everything is going to be a lot bigger, and you can actually see all the rubies, the writing on the movement, all the gears, and all the small bits and pieces inside the watch movement. So guys, as you can see, this is, in my opinion, a must-have tool, and I would definitely recommend to go and grab one of these because it is worth it, all the money. And once again guys, by LINKMICRO, and the exact model right here. Make sure to check it out. I guarantee this is a game changer.